Hi friends, today let's learn the second Geetam, Kundagaura Gaurivara. This is set to Chaturashra Jati Rupaka Talam, which will have 6 beats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is again in the Malahari Ragam. Let's look at the Arohanam Avrohanam. Sarima Padasa Sadapa Magarisa. Now we will learn the swaram first. Before that, let's learn how to use a metronome or a talanome that we need to set for 70 beats per minute with Chaturashra Jati Rupaka Talam, means 6 beats. Dha pa ma ga ri sa re ma pa dha ma pa da ri ri sa dha pa ma ga ri sa sa re ri dha pa ma ga Sari ma ga ri sari ga ri sa. So this takes care of the swaram part. Now let's look at the sahitya part, which has 3 variations. Kunda gaura gauri Mandiraya ma nama kota mandara kusumakara makarandam vasitoma Hema Kota Simhasana Virupaksha Karunakara Mandara Kusumakara Makarandam vasitova Chanda